dear viewers, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. In the previous videos, I tried to show how you can convert degree, minutes, seconds into decimal degrees, and in this video, I discussed about how you can convert decimal degree into degree, minutes, seconds. In this video will be the part 1 video for converting decimal degrees into degree, minutes, seconds. In this video, I discussed about basic understandings of how you can convert any latitude or longitude in decimal degree toward degree, minutes, seconds. You can see this is the decimal degree data, and in my previous videos I tried to show the degree, minutes, seconds to decimal degree conversion, and in this video this is the decimal degree value. The degree value will be the value before the point will be the degree value. So this decimal degree value, the degree value will be 50 degree, and the minute value, what will be the minute value? For calculating the minute value, you need to calculate like this, equal to, after the point you need to type those values after the point, means 0.1777778 into 60. This will be the minute value. What? And before the point you need to take the value as minute value, means the minute value will be 10. And for second value you need to type equal to, and then after the point value, means 6667, 0.6667 into 60, and before the point that will be the 40. So the conversion is completed. Latitude in decimal degree towards degree, minute, second. When I tried to convert degree, minute, second into decimal degrees, this was the value, and now this decimal degree is converted to degree, minute, second. This is the process of basic understanding. In the next video I'll try to show how you can calculate or convert decimal degree into degree, minute, seconds into degree, minute, second in Excel very easily. So thanks for watching till the end. Please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me, and also like this video, share among your friends.